In pro-
Hello, Mabuhay. This is Teacher Lourdes, and this is your course, Science, Technology, and Society. Our lesson 9 is Information Age and Emerging Technologies. Our objectives are explain the characteristics of the information age and how digital technologies have transformed communication, work, and social interaction. Identify key emerging technologies like AI, Internet of Things, AR, VR, blockchain, and describe their potential impacts on society, economy, and culture and analyze societal issues related to emerging technologies, including ethical concerns, digital equity, data governance, and implications for future human development. If the internet disappeared tomorrow, imagine you wake up tomorrow and suddenly there is no internet, no Google, no social media, no online classes, and no smartphones. What would your life look like? You can pause this video to answer the following questions. How would you communicate with your friends and family? How would students study or do research? What would happen to businesses and jobs? Can you survive a day without internet or a week? Pause the video and answer. List down three things you do every day that depend on the internet. Now let's have the lesson proper. Looking at these images generated by ChatGPT, you can see that this is a map of the world wherein there are representation of the digital world. And you can see this 1010 digital world wherein society today is dependent. And this another drawing. It shows the cloud where it is mentioned that uh, it's called the cloud where the data are stored of everything that we upload to the internet. And the society is busy doing things for progress. And this another image is showing the societal transformation wherein uh, all the things which are useful to the society are being developed, such as this surveillance camera, cars and transportation, and the solar panel and the uh, charging sign. And this is the logo for the world, and the stoplight. And this, I don't know this. So this is a society wherein we we aim to create a sustainable uh, society. So, all of these are related to the information age. So, the information age marks a pivotal era in human history when information became both a central resource and a driving force in how societies operate, communicate, work, and innovate. Beginning with the commercialization of computers and the rise of the internet in the late 20th century, digital technologies have reshaped human interaction, governance, economy, and culture from global networks enabling instant communication across continents to data driven decision making in business and in government. The, the information age represents a transformation not only in tools and devices, but in the very structure of the society and our everyday life. In the first and the 21st century, rapid technological advancements are redefining how we live, work, and interact with the world. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI, the Internet of Things, blockchain, quantum computing, augmented and virtual reality, robotics, and biotechnology are at the forefront of this transformation. These innovations are not just technical breakthroughs, they reflect society's evolving needs, ethical considerations, and aspirations for the future. So, looking at this image, we already tackle in the previous image. So we have there, these are the icons which are needed by the society, and we aim to make these things sustainable, such as shopping, protection or security, location. So everybody now can access the Google Map, which is also powered by satellite. So anywhere we are, we can uh, access the internet to find where we are, or we can look for a specific location, and we can see that the location in real time. Energy, ecology and the environment, water, mobility, internet network, and of course health. So these are the things that humans aim to have in their lives so that we can live a quality and sustainable life. So this is a smart city. So today, emerging technologies are the engines powering the current phase of this era, often referred to as the fourth industrial revolution or the intelligent age. So everybody of us are already, every one of us is already using AI, especially ChatGPT. So technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, augmented and virtual reality or AR VR, blockchain, cloud computing, and advanced robotics are not only expanding technical capabilities but also redefining social norms, economic models, and cultural expectations. These technologies foster new modes of learning, working, collaborating, and governing, while also presenting complex challenges such as ethical governance, digital equity, privacy, and workforce displacement. For example, AI has evolved from specialized computational tools to powerful systems that influence sectors ranging from healthcare to education, creating opportunities for personalized services and productivity gains, but also raising questions of ethics, accountability, and equity. This is according to the source. Moreover, as information communication technologies proliferate, societies must grapple with issues like the digital divide and data governance, ensuring that access to digital tools and skills is inclusive and responsive to diverse needs. AI, particularly generative AI, machine learning, and natural language processing, is enabling machines to perform tasks that once required human intelligence, such as language translation, content creation, and decision making. The IoT is connecting everyday objects to the internet, facilitating smarter homes, cities, and healthcare systems. Blockchain technology, on the other hand, promises greater transparency and security in digital transactions, while quantum computing holds the power to solve complex problems beyond the reach of traditional computers. Meanwhile, augmented reality and virtual reality are enhancing human experiences in education, medicine, and entertainment. Robotics continues to revolutionize manufacturing and service industries, and advances in biotechnology are leading to groundbreaking developments in medicine, agriculture, and genetics. The following presents these emerging technologies. The first one, artificial intelligence. It is rapidly evolving with subfields like generative AI, machine learning, and natural language processing leading the way. AI is impacting various industries from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. One of the most utilized AI are uh, ChatGPT, Site AI, Gemini, and Blackbox AI. So, looking at these images generated by ChatGPT, uh, This is a robot with artificial intelligence, and this one is a uh, this is the one you call uh, the connection of the internet from uh, in the World Wide Web. And this one is the audiovisual reality provided by this technology, which are wearable technologies, and of course, the blockchain technology. So let's discuss one by one. The Internet of Things, or represented by this image, also the Internet of Things. Uh, IoT connects everyday devices to the internet, enabling them to collect and share data. This has led to the development of smart homes, smart cities, and smart industries, where data analytics play a crucial role. So, every day we use our cell phones, and each one of us uploads data, and each choice we make in the online world, it contributes to the data analytics being driven by the internet of things. And the blockchain technology, originally developed for cryptocurrencies, is now being adopted for a variety of applications, including supply chain management, voting systems, and secure data storage. So blockchain technology is something developed for cryptocurrencies. And the politicians actually in the Philippines, someone proposed blockchain technology for voting systems because um, blockchain technology is a secure data storage. And uh, when blockchain is developed, so represented by this image generated by ChatGPT, uh, the data are secured, and everyone can access it, and nobody can change the data unless it is accessed by the proper authority, or the proper person to, and no one can manipulate the data because from the word it's well, from it has security features, so the uploaded data cannot be changed, and cannot be manipulated. So, next is quantum computing. Quantum computing promises to revolutionize scientific calculations, drug discovery, and material science. It leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations that are impossible for classical computers. So, the computers we have now, especially in the technology advanced countries, they use quantum computers, and it can process gazillions of data in less than a second. So it's a very powerful computer. And next is augmented or virtual reality. These technologies enhance or create immersive experiences for users with applications in entertainment, education, and training. And robotics is becoming increasingly sophisticated, with robots being used in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and exploration. So, one example of augmented virtual reality is presented in the movie Pacific Rim. So in this movie, the soldiers, uh, so let's see the okay, in this movie the soldiers uses AR/VR to control this massive robots. So in this movie, if you have already seen this movie Pacific Rim, and it shows how the soldiers control massive robotic uh, robots that they use to fight aliens. So this is a sci-fi film, but it clearly shows how to use AR, VR. And biotechnology is advancing in areas like gene editing, personalized medicine, and the development of new treatments for diseases. So In this dynamic landscape, understanding the interplay between technological innovation and societal transformation is crucial. Science, technology, and society encourages learners to critically assess not just the technical features of innovations, but how these tools are embedded within broader socio-cultural systems, shaping and being shaped by human values, institutions, policies, and global relationships. So that's our lesson for today. So uh, I hope you learned something in our lesson. For your assessment activity, uh, emerging tech societal impact analysis. So you will choose one emerging technology, for example, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, AR, VR, blockchain, and you will prepare a written 1,000 word essay. So use a paper and use a ball pen, no printed essay. So you will describe the technology, what's the purpose, the core components, and the status of development. And you will analyze its societal impacts, citing both positive transformations and potential risks. For example, the ethical dilemmas, job displacement, or access inequities. And you will evaluate the policy or governance considerations that could help the society maximize benefits while minimizing the harm. So you will use your own idea for this activity. 1,000 word essay, it's a two-page essay because one page is about 500 words. So this is the rubric, clarity of explanation and depth of understanding, 30 points, evidence of societal analysis, 30 points, and integration of science, technology, society perspective, and ethical reflection, 25%, and the quality of writing. And you will cite credible sources, 15%. So that's your student activity. For the references, these are my references for this lesson. So I hope you learned something in our lesson. Okay. So pass your uh, you will pass your activity or you will on our next meeting. So this is your teacher Lourdes saying mabuhay.